Well, it's about 25 after 10 on Saturday night, April 14th, and I was standing in the kitchen and I heard this huge crash just outside the kitchen windows. I thought at first there was a car crash out in front of the house. It wasn't a car crash, it was a tree that landed on my truck. It smashed the right rear quarter panel of the box. Looks like it might have bent the frame, or at least bent the body enough to wrinkle things. It's a tremendous amount of weight, and that whole length of tree right there is sitting on top of my truck. You can see how it bent the box down. Just smashed the corner of it. I called State Farm. They said if I can get the tree cut off of it, then I can get the truck towed. Fortunately, this lands under comprehensive. So I have a $100 deductible on the accident, and they should repair my truck. But I have to cut off all this tree. That's a huge amount of tree. Now, I don't know if the truck's drivable. The tires are still up. Didn't look like it really smashed anything other than the box, that right rear corner. Hopefully, tomorrow, sun shines and the creek don't rise, I'll be able to get out here with a chainsaw and cut all that crap off. I'm not going to do it out here in the dark. But this is just the weirdest thing in the world. It's part of a big old catalpa tree that grows over there in my neighbor's yard. Just sheared off and fell on the truck. Fortunately, it didn't break any glass. Doesn't look like it did much damage other than screwed up the box seriously. I hope it didn't get into the frame. Well, I just got back in the house from going out to look at my truck. A tree fell on it. Funny part is, I just finished editing the video for testing the Toro chainsaw. Yeah, God's got a real sense of humor. But I'm going to be able to go out and do it, and I do have a chainsaw, so that's always lucky. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.